Okay. Failure to feed. Hello, this is Nola Gospel. Before we get cranked up here, this firearm is clear and safe. Nothing in the chamber, nothing in the mag well. Clear and safe. Nobody's in any danger. No ammo in the room. I'm the only one here. Okay, this is my Zastava M70 semi-auto chambered in 32 ACP. Let me crank out some quick facts right here. The Zastava M70 pistol is a Yugoslavian-designed, compact, single-action, simple blowback firearm, often chambered in 32 ACP, nicknamed the Little B. Produced from the 1970s for police officers, it is a durable, all-steel, 8-round backup gun known for low recoil, high reliability, and a magazine disconnect safety. So just dropped my phone. Check it out. Here's the mag, empty magazine. See? Trigger won't work. Insert the magazine. Boom. There you go. Okay, so keep the magazine in there for now. So yeah, this is a single action, but the trigger is like a striker fire trigger. This is not a light trigger at all. It's not terribly heavy, but it's not light. You have to deliberately, pull the trigger to get it to engage. You're not going to accidentally hit that trigger. This hammer is not going to get snagged in anything. It won't move. See? There you go. Okay, so yeah, so I guess this is considered subcompact. For comparison, here is a Glock 43X, also clear. Okay, so there you go. Check that out. Even slimmer than a slimline Glock. Okay, Glock 43, Zastava M70. Okay. There you go. Okay, get rid of the Glock for right now. All right, so I bought this at a gun show early in the first Trump administration. It was kind of like an impulse buy. I'd become obsessed with 32 ACP for some reason and wanted a gun in 32 ACP. Did I get ripped off? Well, I kind of paid on the high end of what these things are going for. It only came with one magazine, and I took it out to the range, and I wasn't happy with it because I couldn't shoot it well. And I think I was just putting targets out too far. I think this was designed for up close and personal use. Okay, is 32 ACP effective? Well, did you see Scarface? Tony killed Hector with a Beretta Cheetah 81 chambered in 32 ACP. Okay, and he was at a very close distance away from Hector when he put one between Hector's eyes. Jam. Okay. Failure to feed. All right, back at the house. Nola Gospel here. Now I'm angry. Woke up in a good mood this morning. Wanted to go to the range, shoot a little video on the Zastava M70 semi-auto on 32 ACP. End up looking like an idiot.
Okay, yeah, I got ripped off. It's these magazines. I looked it up, and AI told me that these magazines are well known for being junk, for being crap, and having problems, feeding issues. So yeah, you know, I took apart this pistol when I first bought it. Okay, I know it's clean, but his magazine I never touched. So at the range, I took apart this magazine. Yeah, it was a little greasy, little dirty, little grimy, but nothing that would keep the weapon from firing. And so yes, these feed lips. See, look at this. I can't get this round to move. I'm thinking maybe take the knockoff Dremel, polish the inside of the feed lips maybe a little bit to smooth it out, and that might work. I'd try getting a screwdriver and bending these feed lips back a little bit, but nothing really. Once you get 5 rounds in there, it'll work up to 4 rounds, but once you get 5 rounds in there, it starts jamming in it. Well, anyway, you get the idea. Thanks a lot for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. I may purchase another magazine, you know, but that's even more money I'm going to sink into this thing and do an update on this pistol. But, you know, I was really, really, really happy. You know, I'm disappointed. But thanks for watching. Once again, like, comment, subscribe.